I've had this Model Y for about 2 months now, and I haven't removed this plastic film that protects the display because the screen protector that I've ordered from AliExpress hasn't arrived yet, but it arrived just this week, and now I'm gonna remove this plastic protector to expose the pristine LCD. So hopefully that will make it easier for me to just install the screen protector. Now before we dive into the install, let me just show you the product that I got. I've got it from AliExpress from a seller called Yonzi. Now I think they also manufacture or sell the mini instrument cluster that I installed recently on my Model Y. They do carry a lot of product lines for the Model Y, and this is one of them. So I got the anti-glare option because I don't want to see fingerprints on the display. In my previous car, the Velar, I didn't have an anti-glare film, and it's a lot of fingerprints, and it's not fun seeing fingerprints all over, especially if you have a mild case of OCD. So just unboxing, just see what's in the box. So they do have an applicator, but let's see what comes in the toolkit. They have microfiber towel, some LCD cleaning wipes, squeegee, some sticker to remove those dusts, and the instruction manual. So according to here, first we'll need to clean the screen, obviously, with the cleaning wipe, peel the backing sheet, apply or line up the applicator case, applicator, whatever you call this, and then slide your finger across, peel it off, and then take it out, and then take the backing, the front film off, and squeeze out any bubble. So looks straightforward. It says here, remove any sticker or screen protectors on your screen, which I've done that. Wash your hands because your hands have oil and dust. You don't want to contaminate the LCD screen. Just take note. It says here, the distance between the gear stick and the tablet is very close, or the screen. Be careful not to manipulate the gear stick when installing and cause the car to move. So let's get on with it. Now I opted to use to wear gloves, and I used an alcohol wipe to make sure that there are no contaminants on the gloves. And now I'm ready to start. So the first thing in the instruction that they wanted you to do is to clean the LCD screen. Now they supply you with 2 LCD cleaning wipes. I don't think I need 2 because this screen here is in pristine condition. And here, I've accidentally knocked over the wiper. The next step is to grab the screen protector and remove the backing film. Just need to grab this and gently peel that away. Careful now. Okay. Now where it says top, make sure to line it up. The top, hold the edges so it doesn't fall off. So again, just make sure you clear the wiper stock. Line it up. So nice and tight there at the top. So I haven't really pressed down yet, so it's just lined up at the top. Slowly position the screen, make sure it's pressed up against the edges, and then you say swipe slide, press. Oh, that side I don't. If you're wearing gloves, that's what it sounds like. And wait 30 seconds. So we remove from here. So it's weird because they had the top here, but then this label here is sort of going the other way around. It's just, anyway. So now we're ready to peel. Remove from here. It's quite sticky. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, that is brutal. That's okay. Next is we're gonna remove this applicator. No instruction of whether it's top or bottom, so I'm just gonna do bottom, and then there it is. So the film, there's still a film on top. There's still a protective film. You can see a huge bubble. I'm not sure whether that's gonna hurt me, but they recommend to remove the film and then you press, but I am going to remove the bubble while the protective film is there. So let's go and slowly peel this away. Okay. Now I've run into some issues with the installation. Now, I'm not sure whether me having to use this spatula while the screen film, the protective film, is on the screen protector and not cause the adhesive to stick to the actual screen protector. But I'm finding that I'm needing to peel all these adhesive off. If you can see all the adhesive film that's meant to be in this protector is now on the screen. So good thing here is that I don't see any bubbles. Screen clean mode. And then finally, get a clean microfiber towel to dust off any remaining residue that's left on the screen protector. That's the end of the installation. I'm just showing here some parting shots. The image you're seeing now is what the screen looks like with the Tesla plastic film still attached to it. You can see a lot of fingerprints towards the bottom of the screen there. The next image is what the screen would look like if you remove the plastic film. So this is the bare screen, which will provide the best visibility, no doubt, but offers no fingerprint protection neither nor anti-glare benefit. Lastly, this is what it looks like after installing the anti-glare screen protector. The visibility has somewhat degraded a bit because the screen offers anti-glare, but hopefully it wouldn't attract a lot of fingerprints. And that's all I have for you in this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below or write me an email at autos.gizmos@gmail.com. Likewise, if you find this video helpful, please show your support by subscribing to this channel and click that like and thanks button. It will not only improve the YouTube algorithm and make this video available to more viewers such as yourselves, but it will also help me grow my channel and create more content like this in the future. Until next time.